Merhaba arkadaşlar. In this video we are going to learn the Dil Bilgisi portion of Istanbul book chapter number 2 section 2a. Haberin olsun is the chapter title. In this Dil Bilgisi portion we are going to learn belirli geçmiş zaman means simple past tense in Turkish. What does it mean? This tense indicate that an activity, event or situation began or ended before the time it was uttered. For example, an event that starts in past and ended up also in past, it is called simple past tense in Turkish. The suffix used for simple past tense is the. It can change according to four-way vowel harmony. The I in the can be changed according to four-way vowel harmony. For example, we can write this as the, do, according to four-way vowel harmony. For example, if the last vowel is a, we will write this as e, we will write e, o, u, u. And the itself can be changed into the if the last consonant of the word will be from fıstıkçı consonants. We can convert the into the. For example, this can also be write as the, ti, tu, tu. Now when this tense used with personal pronouns, it can make their ending like, for example, with ben it make ending like m. For sen it will make n. For o it will make no entry, no ending. For o, he, sheet. For biz, for us, it will make k. For sis it will make nis ending. For lad sometimes it make ending lad. So for example, we have a verb gelmek, to come. We want to convert this into past tense. We will add the past suffix in it. For example, gel, di. Because the last vowel is a, we write di, geldi. And the ben ending is with geldim, I came. Gelmek, to come. Geldim, I came. Geldin. For sen it is n. Geldin, geldi. O came, he, sheet came. Geldik, we came. Geldiniz, you came, you plural came. Geldiler, they came. For olumsuz, this is olumlu means positive question, positive in Turkish. And if we want to make negative of past tense, we will simply add mema after verb. For example, gel, me. If we want to add ma, if the last vowel of the verb will be a or o, u, we will write this as ma. For example, almadım, I didn't buy. Gelmedim, I didn't came. Gelmedin, you didn't came. Gelmedi, o didn't came. He didn't came, she didn't came, it didn't came. Gelmedik, we didn't came. Gelmediniz, you plural do not came. Gelmediler, they didn't came. For olumlu soru means positive question in Turkish, we add me after olumlu, we add me. For example, geldim me. Did I came? Geldin me. Did you came? Geldi mi. Did he came or she came? Geldik mi. Did we came? Geldiniz mi. Did you came? Geldiler mi. Did they came? For olumsuz soru means negative question in Turkish, we will add gelmedim mi. Did I don't came? Gelmedin mi. Did you don't came? Gelmedi mi. Did he don't came? Did she don't came? Did it don't came? Gelmedik mi. Did we don't came? Gelmediniz mi. Did you don't came? For plural, gelmediler mi. Did they don't came? We can also use this tense with bu zaman and şu zaman. For example, we can write this as we can use this tense with this and that time in Turkish. For example, dün means yesterday, önceki gün day before day, bugüne kadar until today, şimdiye kadar until now, geçen cuma last cuma, past cuma, geçen sene past year, 10 dakika önce, 5 minutes before, 4 yıl önce, 4 years before, biraz önce, a little before. Örnekler. Now we have örnekler. Ben geçen hafta sinemaya gittim. The T from fıstıkçı shop changed the into the. Gittim. I went. Sinemaya. To the cinema. Ben geçen hafta. Past week. Past week. I sinemaya to the cinema went. I went to cinema last week. Sen dün. Yesterday. That's lecture. Çalışmadım. Çalışmadın. You didn't study the lecture yesterday. Siz, you for plural. Geçen yıl. Geçen yıl. Past year. Tatil. Vacation. Yaptınız mı? Did you make? Did you do vacation last year? Daha önce. More before. Hiç. Never. Sinemaya gitmedin mi? You didn't go to cinema before. You can write this as. Now we have our aşağıdaki boşlukları örneklerdeki gibi dolduralım. We have to complete these blanks with the examples above. Ben İstanbul'a dün. I to Istanbul dün. Yesterday I came. Geldim. Sen beni affet mi? Did you forgive me? So you can write this as affettin mi? Sen beni affettin mi? Did you forgive me? Ben bu elbiseyi başka bir elbise aldım. I buy another dress. Ben bu elbiseyi. This dress beğenmedim. We will use beğenmedim. I didn't like this dress. That's why I buy another dress. Biz buraya. We to here. Almanya'dan. From Germany. Biz geldik. We came here from Almanya, from Germany. We came. Geldik. We came here from Germany. Schizophrenia said it. What does it mean? You owe it. Film. Said it. To watch. Said it make to watch. Said it tin. Said it tin is. Versus said it tin is. Schizophrenia said it tin is me. Did you watch that film? O bugün. He is today. Birinci first. That's a lecture. In the first lecture. Girmedi. O you can write he, she. He didn't enter the first lecture. In the first lecture. Çünkü because geç kaldı. He got up late. Ben geçen gün. I past day. Öğrencilere, to the students, yeni bir konu, a new topic, anlattım. I tell them. New topic to the students, geçen gün, past day. Siz hafta sonu, weekend. Ne yaptınız? Yaptınız mı? What do you do this weekend? Kız kardeşim, my sister. Üniversiteden. From university 2 yıl önce mezun oldu. My sister from university 2 yıl önce 2 years before mezun oldu to get certified. Ders henüz bitmedi. Ders is not ended yet. Lütfen dışarı çıkmayın. Please don't go outside. Now we have some exercise also. Hafta sonu ne yaptık? What did we do this weekend? Kendimize Uygun cümleleri işaretleyelim. We have to make işaret. For example, marks for this one. For this one. Yemek pişirdim. I cooked food. Did I? If yes, you can write the. If evet, or if you didn't do this, then you can write this as higher. Yemek pişirdim. I cooked food. Ders çalıştım. I study lecture. Aileme telefon ettim. I did telephone to family. Eve temizledim. I cleaned the house. Tiyatroya gittim. I went to theater. Müzik dinledim. I listened to music. İnternette gezdim. I visited the internet. Televizyon seyrettim. I watched TV. Arkadaşlarımla buluştum. I met with my friends. Sahilde yürüdüm. I walked at the beach. Evde film seyrettim. I watched film at home. Kitap okudum. I read book. Dışarıda yemek yedim. I eat yemek food outside. Alışveriş yaptım. I did shopping. Ailemi ziyaret ettim. I visited my family. In next video we will learn the dinleme portion and some exercise of our chapter.